Introducing YuJa EqualGround DevAssist, a powerful module for developers that allows you to resolve accessibility issues directly in the VS Code IDE while your website is still in development. YuJa DevAssist checks against WCAG 2.1 and 2.2, Level A, AA, and AAA standards. To help ensure your websites and web apps are fully compliant, this AI-powered module provides quick fixes and detailed explanations for common accessibility issues. YuJa DevAssist will point out issues, show you why it's important to remediate them, and provide guidance on how to take action and fix them. Build websites and web apps that work for everyone from the start, and stop worrying about having to go back and fix errors after launch. For more information on the YuJa EqualGround DevAssist, please visit YuJa.com. At YuJa, we're helping you make accessible websites from scratch.